Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Stella and this is another lenses video that went bad. And by that I don't mean that anything bad happened to the lenses themselves or my eyes from wearing the lenses. Quite the opposite. They were perfect, but the video I had recorded for it got lost. So this means we will have to recreate it and I will show you some Coleyes lenses that will blow your mind.
Devil in a red dress, call 911 on my killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger.
I dropped my hard drive and lost all my videos. So yeah. Hello guys and welcome back. Another day, another lenses video. Today we have another Coleyes video and thankfully we still have the lenses, but we don't have the unboxing version of it. So I'm gonna put a clip and the whole video of where I unboxed another Coleyes lens box, and they came in this beautiful packaging. Of course I got a discount code for you. It's Stella20 for 20% off, or Stella just by itself for 2 pairs and 2 pairs for free. Yeah, let's hop into it. Opening the box, you got these 4 pairs and a pair of tools, you know, tweezers and the little section thing, and a hair clip. Best way to open these, especially if you have nails, you just put the back of some tweezers, boop, boop, and it's open. I will be using the tools, of course, because why not? This is such a cute little packaging, you guys. And oh, let me see. It comes with a fully silicone section cap and some tweezers. All right, I see a nice white case. It is transparent on the back. It also says right and left. Of course, you can feel it, so if you can't really see, not sure how you're gonna pull this through, but yeah. And I will show you how the box looks like. It's usually black and it came with 4 packs of lenses. That was how the cases looked like, and they're really sturdy, by the way. You can see what's inside and they don't leak, so that's perfect. Let's go and try on these 4 pairs and I will show you guys how I put them on my brown eyes. This is what my actual eye color is. It's a darker shade of brown. Some of you have told me that they're not like completely like dark brown, but maybe under extreme sunlight they're not. Normally in a room they look kind of black, right? So I will start with one of my all-time favorites, which are the Hidrocolor series, and this is how it looks like. You can see the lens. It has no limbo ring and it transforms your eye so much. I will be using the tools they gave me. Never mind, the tools were upstairs and I'm too lazy to go grab them. So I'll be using my fingers. My fingernails, actually. It's really easy to have long nails and put lenses on, so it doesn't matter whenever you have a long nail, as long as it's clean, of course. You can just kind of use it as a tool. You put the lens over there and you just pop it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with Hidrocolor Quartzo. I'm putting the lens on my palm, putting some of the lens solution. I take my ring finger because my ring finger is the one that has the least amount of strength. So I take my ring finger and I just twist it. There, you got it. So you put it on the white part of your eye and you kind of like look down without closing your eye and it sets. So this is a side-to-side comparison. Make sure you check the lens to see that it goes upwards and not to the sides. Whenever it goes like a little bit upwards and to the side, it means that it's inside out. So you shouldn't wear it like that. You should turn it. And here you go. So I love them. They're very vibrant. bold. You can definitely tell from a distance that my eyes are not brown anymore. So yeah, they look amazing. They have no limbal rings, so they don't enlarge your iris. They, if anything, they kind of make it blend into the white of your eye, so your eyes look immediately brighter in general. So yeah, that's Hidrocolor Quartzo. And of course, it's time to say that you can always use my code Stella20 for 20% off, or just Stella for buy two and get 2 items for free. So you buy 2 pairs, you get 2 for free, or you buy however many pairs, 1, 5, 10, and you get a 20% off. This is an affiliated link, I'll leave it down below, or use my code Stella20 or Stella just by itself, and I got you. Yeah, I really like this. Let's go to the next one. Let me get a clip of it in daylight. So before we go to the next, I actually have to tell you that these are all yearly lenses. You open them up and they last for 12 months after the package is opened. And yes, they are very comfortable. So far, whatever I've tried has been great. Next one is Profound Blue. This is what this looks like, side to side. That's such a very unique color. It has incredible dimension. Like you can see every little line of different colors, and it blends in so well. It makes your iris look a little smaller. Your pupil, I'm sorry. It makes your pupil look a little smaller almost. I don't know. I'm amazed. Such a nice blue, and honestly, with the dark hair, it serves. Let me give you a close-up. Stella's 20 for 20% off. Let me show you it in the daylight, and I'm coming right back to try the next one. And the next one is mwah. So this next one is actually one that I got twice. I ordered it the previous time too because I liked it so much on the website, and I can vouch for it. This is called Sin Green, and honestly, it's just one of the best I've tried so far. Let me pop it in. And this is what it looks like, side to side. It's called Sin Green, and it's actually a sin. It's just, I don't know. It gives you points. It gives you extra attractiveness and what is it called? And confidence points. So yeah, this is it, side to side. Let me put the other one in so that you see what I'm really talking about. It has 2 or 3 colors, and it blends into your brown eye perfectly. So yeah, I'll give you a daylight shot, and we're left with one last one after this. Hold on. I don't want to take these out, man. They're just... Anyway, let me know in the comments if you actually like them or if it's just me. But yeah, let's go to the last one. So this last pair is called Seattle Green, and it's on the darker side. It has a limbal ring. It's very, very interesting. This is what the color looks like. You can already see that it's so much greener, and it is more on the subtle side, making sure it's not inside out. Ta-da! So this is it side by side. And let me put them both on in. I'm gonna come a little closer. These are so pretty, and they can pass for a natural eye, you know? This is the Seattle green. It gives me a little more fall vibes, fall, winter vibes. This would also look great with some red hair, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is what this looks like. Hey guys, I'm sorry you just popped up like that, but I missed one of the lenses. So I'm here to share that as well. And this is such a subtle blue. This one is called Nature Blue. Now I'm gonna go outside and show you this in like daylight, but the daylight is gonna be a little different because I just popped this in from another day. So okay, hey, so this is what it looks like. I hope you can understand it in daylight. And with this, I think we're gonna wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. I am so sorry that I lost all the original footage of this, so you have to just see what it is from here. But those were the colors, and you can use my code Stella 20 for 20% off, for Stella for buy 2 get 2 for free. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow my channel for more videos for lenses for brown eyes, like probably ours, and I will see you guys on the next one.